Just simply come on to this website, download this application, start playing video games, and then start receiving payments all in PayPal money for just playing video games. Hi guys, what is up? How's it going? In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how you can simply play games and earn $2,612 per month with this free application. Guys, this method is completely beginner friendly and you don't need any investment whatsoever to get started. But guys, before we move any further, I want to give you guys a small disclaimer that the following video is going to be in a step-by-step manner. So make sure to not skip any step, and without wasting any more time, we are going to jump into step number 1.
Hi, if you're watching this, then you have to know we're doing a brand new giveaway on our channel. We're going to be giving away the new iPhone 12 Pro Max or the MacBook Pro. It is your choice. Just watch the video completely and make sure to like the video, comment the hidden keyword down below, and be sure to subscribe.
Step number 1. So in step number 1, I want you to come on to giftplay.io. Now guys, giftplay.io is going to be the website that we're going to be using for this particular method. Now Giftplay is basically a website on which you can play games, earn cash rewards, and also earn gift cards as well. Now it actually is that simple, and you can get this application right now on the Play Store. But hold on, because I'm going to be showing you all the benefits and all the ways that you can multiply your earnings. Now over here they have their tagline saying you play, we pay, and play free mobile games, make money, earn reward, and gift cards. Now over here in the about section, we have their intro. So do you like playing games? Yes? Well then this website is for you. Similarly, do you want to earn money while playing games? I know it sounds a bit cliche, but you can make money. Honestly, with this website, you will believe this. And are you looking for the app that pays you for playing games? Well, if yes, well then you are at the right spot. Now, introducing Giftplay, the app that allows you to make money and earn gift cards by playing games, and no purchase is necessary and no paying to win. So how does it work? You simply discover and you download new mobile games. You collect coins from playing games. The longer you play, the better. So basically you can explore new games, and you will find a lot more stunning games that you will definitely enjoy. Now mostly I get the complaint that these websites don't have really good games. Well my friend, this application is definitely gonna have the coolest games, the games that you will definitely enjoy. Now once you have a lot of coins, you can redeem your coins for amazing rewards like Amazon gift cards, Steam gift cards, like PayPal gift cards, iTunes gift cards, PlayStation Network cards, and even Google Play gift cards as well. Now once you receive those, you can use them anytime, and they also have a referral program through which you can invite your friends and earn even more coins. So basically you will be making additional coins for just the fact that you're inviting people onto this platform. After that, you can collect all the badges too. Now you will accrue coins as you play and meet the duration requirements, and you can redeem your coins for a PayPal cash out or for a variety of top brands. Now over here you can see the screens. Now you will have these 5 screens. Now firstly you will have the playing your favorite games. Now you will simply be swiping right and left to find the game that you want, and then once you have a game that you like, you simply click on the second button. From over here you simply withdraw your various gift cards for absolutely free, and literally just buy stuff for yourself or have a party. And thirdly, you have the champions board. Now the person who is at the highest gets the reward as well, so make sure to top that. And plus you also have a referral program. Now referral program is basically you will get 20% of your friend's coins for every friend that you have invited. So basically if your friend makes 10,000 coins, well then you will get 2,000 coins for absolutely free for just the fact that you referred them. After that you can collect all the badges and you can be the champion, and obviously who doesn't want to be the champion. So these are the 5 screens. Now over here we even have some reviews that you can check out on Google Play, which we're gonna do right now. So that is basically their website. And now coming on to their Google App Store account, we can see their main page. So over here we can see that this app is available for all of your devices. Now it doesn't matter if you're on an iPad, if you're on an iPhone, if you're on a computer, even you can use an Android emulator to play this game. So you don't even need to have an Android device whatsoever, but if you do, well then that is obviously gonna make things very, very easy. Now scrolling down even further, we can see that this website has 4.4 reviews on average and over 2,370 total reviews. Guys, this just proves that this website is legit, and this website like doesn't do any scamming whatsoever. So like scrolling down even further, we have like some more things as well, like the Android version required, the size required, and also the amount of installs that this application had. So all in all, like this is absolutely amazing if you are anybody who is like just starting out and who wants to like make money. Bonus application. Now guys, for bonus application, I wanted to mention this application too, called Play Karma. Now guys, Play Karma is very similar to the previous application, but this website is going to pay you even more points, and this website also has scratch cards as well that you can scratch and even win instant gifts. So how does this work? You simply open Play Karma, you view the list of applications recommended to you, and then you simply install and play with those games for the required time, and then you start earning points as you continue to play. You will accrue points as you play and meet the duration requirements, and you can redeem your karma points for a PayPal cash out or for a variety of top branded gift cards like Amazon, Google Play, iTunes, and gift card codes will be instantly delivered inside the app. So guys, that is amazing. And similarly, this also has a 4.5 star rating on average, and like they have over 1000 reviews that are 5-star plus. So guys, it is absolutely mind boggling how good these applications, because in the past we never ever had applications that were this good and that were paying money for just playing video games. Now this application has a far better collection of games, like basically pro games like 8-Ball Pool, Clash of Clans, like all these big names. But Gift Play is basically faster than as compared to Play Karma when it comes to paying out and earning money. But guys, at the end, it all depends upon you how you want to go about this. If you have any other ideas, or like if you have any other applications, you can definitely use them as well and make the most money with them too. Because guys, like in times of COVID, when there is just so much going on, like people are literally losing everything that they had, every single thing. So for you to like go out and do these methods, try out these different applications, try out these different websites, is a really groundbreaking, because not only does it allow you to become a savior for your friends and family, because in these difficult times everybody needs a job, but also it helps you to like make a living for yourself and earn some additional money for yourself, so that you guys can also achieve your financial goals, whether that be buying a Lamborghini, whether that be buying your own motorcycle, whether that be helping someone else. It all depends upon you, but my job is to make sure you guys get resources, get ways to monetize your time online, because that is what we want ultimately, and that is our end goal from this channel. So guys, all in all, if you guys face any confusion, you guys know how you guys can reach out to me through the comment section down below, because I respond to all the comments who really want help, and I will guide you till the end, until and unless you guys understand every single thing. So guys, do not hesitate to reach out to me. And guys, one last thing is that make sure to watch out for different scams as well, because some of the applications, some of the websites that I talk about in this video are very curated. So like basically I go through everything myself and I make sure that everything is secure. But if you go out on your own on the internet, well, there might be some people who might try to scam, and I don't like that. So make sure to pay close attention to only the websites that I talk about and only the applications that I show you, not any other websites, because only then will you be able to fully achieve methods and be able to monetize your time properly without getting scammed anywhere. So guys, that is basically what I had to say for now. So guys, this was the video, and if this video helped you out guys, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe, and I'm gonna catch you guys in the next video. Till then, take care and goodbye.